this video, you will learn how to create and assign text for video annotation and how to apply them both for objects and videos themselves as a property and on specified timeline segments, which is often used in industries like medical operations, sports analytics, and traffic monitoring. Before assigning text in the video labeling toolbox, we first need to create them in the project settings. First, let's type in the tag name. Here we can set the hotkey for our tag. If you want, you can also set the text color and the applicable area, which can be videos, objects, or both. The last thing is the text value type. It can be set to 4 different values. None means that the tag will not hold any value. With text and number value types, you can enter namesake values upon creation. And the one off holds one of the user-defined values. Once we have the text ready, we can start assigning them. To assign a tag to a video, you can click this button right here. Here you can see all the text that can be applied to this video. There is 2 ways of creating text: as a property, or in other words, attributed to entire video, and to mark specific frames. For example, we can assign a location tag as a property, as it will remain constant for the entire duration of the video, and activity tag to the time-specific segments of the video. To do that, we need to click Mark Frames, then select on the track bar and select the frame range we want to apply our tag to. Just like that, we apply the tag to the section of this video. We also have an option to untag this section and change its value, which we can do in the right side panel too, as well as go to the starting and ending frames quickly. Tag can also be applied to objects. Let's see how that looks like. Here I have an annotation object. Let's select it in the objects list. The same as with videos, we can apply text in 2 different scopes: as a property and to a frame range. Let's attribute the object with property text. Text displayment can be toggled in the annotation settings bar. And this time I want to apply a tag to this person object only when he has the ball. So I will click Mark Frames besides my tag and select the frame range I want to apply it to. Let's see how that looks on the video playback. If you have enjoyed this quick computer vision tutorial, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching.